Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an essential tool for anyone who manages multiple accounts, especially if you're an affiliate marketer, social media manager, or an e-commerce seller. I'm talking about the Multilogin Antidetect browser. In this video, I'll explain what the Multilogin Antidetect browser is, how it can help you manage multiple accounts safely by avoiding detection, and stick around to find out how to get a 30% discount with my special coupon code. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is the Multilogin that lets you create multiple browser profiles, each with its own unique environment? Think of it as a way to create and manage multiple accounts without triggering platform security systems, which usually try to detect things like IP address tracking, browser fingerprints, cookies device characteristics like resolution, OSs, etc. With a traditional browser, managing multiple accounts on the same site can be risky. Platforms like Google, Facebook, and even e-commerce sites like eBay or Amazon have sophisticated systems in place to detect when you're running multiple accounts from the same device. This is where Multilogin comes in. It essentially creates a separate environment for each account, so it appears as though each account is being managed from a different device or location, keeping you safe from getting banned or blocked. Now, let's talk about why this tool is such a game changer for multi-account management. Avoid fingerprint detection. Multilogin prevents browser fingerprinting. Each profile has its own unique settings, like time zones, user agents, and even IP addresses, so websites can't link your multiple accounts together. You can easily create and manage multiple profiles, and each one acts like a completely separate browser. Stores your profiles in the cloud, meaning you can access them from any device and anywhere without losing your settings. Boosts security. It's built with privacy in mind. All your activities are fully encrypted, and the profiles are isolated from each other, ensuring your data stays safe. Whether you're running affiliate campaigns, dropshipping, or handling multiple social media accounts, this tool keeps everything neat, secure, and undetected. Now that you know what it does, let's talk about how to use it. I'll guide you step by step on how to set up your Multilogin browser. Step 1. Sign up for an account. Head over to the Multilogin website and create an account. You'll need to provide your email and choose a subscription plan that suits your needs. Step 2. Once your account is set up, download the Multilogin browser for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS. Step 3. Create your first profile. After installation, open the browser and log into your account. You'll see an option to create a new browser profile. For each account you manage, create a new profile. Adjust the settings like IP address, time zone, and user agent to make sure each profile looks unique. Step 4. Start using your accounts. Now you can log into any platform, whether it's Google Ads, Facebook, or Instagram, using these different profiles without any risk of account linkage. Here's the exciting part. You can get 30% off your Multilogin subscription with my special coupon code. Enjoy a 30% discount on your subscription. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want me to review more tools like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.